the light of the world. A reading from Matthew 5:14-16. You are the light of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on a stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before men, that they may see your good deeds and praise your Father in heaven.
When Jesus says, "You are the light of the world," he is commissioning his followers to go out into the world to reflect the light that comes from your Father in heaven. In the beginning, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light, and God saw that it was good. With the fatal choice of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, that light was enshrouded but not extinguished. Jesus came to bring light back into a darkened world. The goodness of the light of God is passed through Jesus to his followers, who are to reflect that light, much like the moon reflects the light of the sun. By being disciples of Jesus Christ, we are called to pass on the goodness of the Creator of that light, just as Jesus passed it on to his own apostles and disciples through the gift of the Holy Spirit.